up, guys? So today's video, got the GasGas, and I went ahead and ordered a all-in-one brake light kit from True North Motos. It brings the OEM GasGas smaller plate. We can get rid of basic tools so far that I think we need. We're gonna need a 8mm, 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch right there, yeah. Got the chromies, you know, budget builds like always. A ratchet and a electric drill or impact or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through how to remove this, swap out this enormous display for a sleek, smaller one. So let's get to it. All right, so first things first, my guys, my youths, my girls, my gals, everything. We're gonna go ahead and take off these back here. These are your 8mm. They're one's here and then one's right below the exhaust, or right above the exhaust. These ones, because that one I can't get to it. So once you get that down, got some wiring. It's a T30 to take out the seat. All right, so after some finagling, here's what we figured out so far. Went ahead and removed the rear tail, or the rear fairing right here. I unplugged a few of the wirings, like so, and the one over here. All right, so after some successful attempts and failed attempts, here we have it. I hope I have it up the right side. That's our new tail light. And let's just feed it through its little tunnel here. Make sure you feed your cables through. All right, so we're just gonna be tightening all this stuff back up. Was the old setup. As you can see, you've got your DRL, blinker, and brake light. It's a much cleaner look. So that being that, guys, hope you enjoy and stay tuned.